Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a really fun crafty video to share with you, and I want to show you how to do some embossing with your stencils. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute Cuddlebug butterfly by Unity Stamp with my marker pens. And I'm grabbing this huge 12x12 stencil by Dear Lizzy. You could grab any kinds of stencils that you have laying around. And I'm grabbing this glittery embossing powder by Ranger. I've already prepared my card base here, and I'm grabbing the EK Success powder tool to just powder up my entire surface to reduce static on the surface so that the powder will actually grab onto the areas where it's only supposed to grab onto. So put your stencil over your card and grab your embossing ink. Here I'm using the Versamark ink, and what you want to do is to dab the ink gently and slowly and just leave it on for a few extra seconds to ensure the ink goes into the right places. Don't be too aggressive because you do not want the ink to get under the stencil, but just over where it's supposed to go. So once that's done, it's time to sprinkle your embossing powder all over your card and wait for the design to reveal itself, and here it is, your stencil design. How pretty, right? Just tap off the excess and you're ready to heat it up with your heat gun, and you're just about done. Here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!